In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, my dear friends. Today, once again, we're going to understand some more contractions. It's lecture number 5 about contraction. Contractions with short forms. हमारे पास आज जो major contractions हैं, I have, we have, you have, they have not, he has, she has not, he had not, or I will have, I'll have. So they are being used now in sentences. We'll see them in action, and you are going to make the sentences by using these, all the contractions in sentences. We'll upload a video regarding these wonderful words. Okay, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है, ये has, have, had के जो words आए इस्तेमाल हुए हैं, auxiliaries और इनको modal verbs. You can also use them in different ways. Has, have, had और will have, इनका इस्तेमाल आप कर सकते हैं. एक तो possession के लिए, possession होता है मलकियत, उसका हम एक separate lecture भी upload करेंगे, record करेंगे, और दूसरा उसका इस्तेमाल आप perfect tenses में कर सकते हैं. तो हमारे sentences जो देंगे आप लोग, वो एक sentence आप इसका देंगे regarding its possession, और दूसरा इसका perfect tense के हवाले से sentence देंगे, record करेंगे हम. Yes, the first one is the example from my side. I've got an interesting book. जब आप interesting book बोलेंगे, an interesting, so I have got and को contract कर देंगे once again, gotten. I've gotten को gotten interesting, और n को फिर I के साथ मिला देंगे, लिंक करेंगे वर्ड्स को, T को A के साथ और N को I के साथ, तो तीनों वर्ड्स इकट्ठा हो जाएंगे. I've got an interesting book. मेरे पास एक दिलचस्प किताब है. Okay, so I have given the sentence of possession. Please, from your side.
I've got a new car.
I've got a new car. मेरे पास एक नई गाड़ी है. ये possession के तौर पर.
I've studied English a lot.
I've studied English a lot. मैं काफी English पढ़ चुका हूँ. Excellent.
I have got an important message.
I've got an important message. मेरे पास एक अहम मैसेज है.
I have done all my homework.
I have done my all work, all homework. Shabash.
I've got a laptop.
I've got a laptop.
I have finished my work.
Excellent. Finished my work.
I've got a bank account.
I've got a bank account.
And I've finished my journey.
Excellent. Clapping from every side, please. Excellent sentences. Now, the second contraction is we have. We've. We bought a new house. मैंने यहाँ example दिया आपको perfect tense की. हम एक नया घर खरीद चुके हैं. We bought a new house. और आपकी तरफ से आएंगे दोनों examples. One from possession. The other one from perfect tense. Please.
We've got admission in Cambridge University.
We've got admission in Cambridge University. MashaAllah.
We finished our work yesterday.
We finished our work yesterday.
We got plenty of food for the party.
We got plenty of food for the party.
We've enjoyed our time at the park.
Excellent. We've enjoyed our time at the park.
We've got a surprise gift for you.
Thank you very much. Okay.
We plan to go this week.
We plan to go to the mountain this weekend. Okay. Shabash.
We've got an invitation.
We got an invitation.
We have planted a variety of flowers.
Oh, we have planted variety of flowers. Clapping for everybody. Nice sentences. Wonderful work being done by you guys. The next one is you have. Or you have is the full form. The short form is you've. You've or sentence from my side. You've helped me in poverty. तुम मेरी गुर्बत में मदद कर चुके हो. Present perfect tense का sentence है. आपसे एक possession और एक perfect tense का sentence है. ये बोले please. Yes.
You've got to start working harder.
Shabash.
You have made valuable connections.
You've made valuable connection. Shabash.
You've got a great sense of humor.
Excellent. Yes, thank you very much for the appreciation.
You've always been kind.
She hadn't eaten her breakfast yet. Okay.
He looked as he hadn't shaved for a week.
He looked as if he hadn't shaved for a week. पूरा हफ्ता शेव नहीं की थी उसने.
I wish you hadn't paid for dinner.
Okay.
He had not practiced so well.
He hadn't practiced so well. Hello. I hadn't really noticed. नहीं कर चुका था really notice. She.
You hadn't get to support her.
You hadn't.
The gets to support her.
I couldn't understand you. You hadn't the guts.
Yeah, guts.
Oh, G-U-T-S, guts. You hadn't guts to support her.
I have reached my house soon.
So thank you very much, guys. Now we are going to the last one is, what's the last word? I will have. I'll have. I'll show you in a short while the contraction. I will have. Actually, I'll have is a double contraction. I will or have दोनों को contract कर दिया. I'll have. Right, please.
I have reached my house soon.
I'll have.
Reached my house soon.
I will have. I will have reached चुका हूँ, पहुंच चुका होगा घर में जल्द. I will have reached my house.
He will have arrived.
He will have arrived. वो पहुंच चुका होगा.
I'll have gone to work by 9:30.
I will have gone to work by 9:30. Thank you very much, everybody. God bless you all. Yes, please. The last contraction is I will have, I'll have, I'll have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, what a dream. Is there anybody who wants to have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, please? Everybody wants to have. Wish you all the very best of luck with this phone. And may you have many more. If you're going to buy in future an iPhone 15 Pro Max, please try to buy two, not only one. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, thank you very much. God bless you all and all the best.